Hey guys, Thursday, October 24th, 2024, US session close. Let's see what the Black Widow did today. So far, looking good. EIA report numbers came out and it was a battle between the bulls and the bears. But the bulls kept pushing higher. This is an area I'm watching. So this is the first area. And then this area. And then lastly, the linear regression channel area. So baby steps. This is where we got hit. We stall 106, lines up right there. We could break over in the I guess in the overnight US session tomorrow. This would be the area. You got the 20, the 50, value area low right here of 315. If we get up here Friday, good. Then for next week, this area 319, and then the linear regression channel. And this was going to be for next week coming up. But MACD is positive. You can see that we hit the point of control on the daily and on the weekly, both key levels right there. Now we got to see if we could stay above that and push higher. Looking at our midpoint chart, I guess the bigger level to watch would be this one right here, which is at 307, where we're at right now. And then the next one will be 316. That's your midpoint. For this is the monthly pivots. Yep. This is yearly, so that's the monthly pivot. So far, we're looking good. Next target, 311. Mind you, this is the December contract. Yep. Mobiles are looking good. Hourly, this is where it got fun, because this is where it looked like it was going to crack. But you had your midpoint of today right here at 291, pretty much 290-ish. And you had the weekly midpoint right here at 290. So you had two time frames where you had your midpoint right there. And you can see that they tried to push lower and they couldn't. So this was a snapback. And that's your typical snapback right there. And now it's hovering over, you can say around 304. Last week's high was 303 around there on the December contract. So it needs to continue pushing higher, and it needs to hold at least in the overnight 298. And that's it. So far it's looking good. I'm buying dips and gonna grind higher. Looks like the red projection line is gonna be taking effect on this one, unless something happens. And the Elliott wave count for wave 5 is probably coming up next week. But it's one of those things. It's either the red projection line is going to play out or the Elliott wave theory into wave 5 down. But so far, looks like the red projection line is winning the battle right now. Another thing also is that if large speculators are short, they're going to get squeezed. They're going to feel a little pain. And the commercial might have to start turning around, but we'll see. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.